Welcome to ANS Solver question 13. So for these type of questions, I have a trick to solve the question in a quick and easy way. So what you have to do is you have to first get rid of your recurring decimal. So your recurring decimal is the 6 part of the decimal. So we can say that 0.26 recurring is to x, and then we can multiply both the numbers by 100, both the number and the variable. So 100x would therefore be 26.666 recurring. Now you can take the difference of both the lines. So you can input this in your calculator and you will get the difference. Also, to show a recurring decimal in your calculator, you just spam that recurring decimal. So in this case 6, so you write 0.2 and you write say about 10 to 15 sixes, so that the calculator knows that this is a recurring decimal. Minus 26 26 point, again it's a recurring decimal, so you write a lot of sixes in your calculator for it to recognize the recurring decimal. So minus 26.66666 will give you negative 26.4. Now as you can see, we've got rid of the recurring decimal, and now you take the difference of the variables as well. So x minus 100x will give you negative 99x, and then you can equate the two. So negative 26.4 equals negative 99x. So you can take the negative 99 to the other side of the equation. So x is equal to negative 26.4 divided by negative 99, because multiplication will come division when you take from one side of the equation to the other. You can cancel the minus and the minus. Now since we don't want a decimal place in your question, you will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. So your answer would be 264 divided by 990. Now to simplify this fraction, there's another trick. In your scientific calculator, first make sure that your scientific calculator is in the math mode and the degree mode, and therefore you can do 264 divided by 990. The calculator itself gives you a fraction in the simplified form. So 4 divided by 15 would be your final answer for question 13. If you still aren't getting a simplified form of the fraction, you can go ahead and reset your calculator by clicking on shift 9 3 equals to an AC, and your calculator will be reset, and now you can input 264 by 99 and you should be able to get a simplified form of this fraction. So therefore 4 by 15 is your final answer for question 13.